If you currently have a VA rating for your knee, you're leaving money on the table. About 90% of VA ratings for knees are done incorrectly or done incompletely. Let me show you how to break down. Yes, you can get rated and compensated multiple times for the same knee, and it is not pyramiding. I'm going to show you why. I'm Jordan Anderson, VA Claims Academy. Make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs it. First of all, what is pyramiding? Pyramiding is a term thrown around in the VA space, which basically means this. You can't get compensated multiple times for the same symptoms. So if I have chronic pain diagnosed for my back, but I also have arthritis for my back, those symptoms are largely the same, right? Pain and limitation of range of motion. You're not going to get compensated twice for those, it's going to be once. With that out of the way, the same knee injury, you can have multiple symptoms and you should be actually compensated multiple times. Let me show you how. For the knee, in this example, let's say that we busted up our left meniscus during service. This is what the breakdown should likely be. We have instability in that knee now. Maybe going upstairs with groceries, we have some lateral movement, it feels unstable. This is actually Diagnostic Code 5257 for instability of the knee. That's a separate rating. Let's say we get 10% for that. Now moving down, we have limitation of flexion. How do we get that? Because at the CNP exam, you are not letting the examiner bully you, right? You're stopping when you feel pain. What do I always teach to you guys and my clients? It's not the NFL Combine, it's an examination. So stop when you feel pain. If you have limitation of flexion, that's Diagnostic Code 5260. Boom, we just got an extra 10%. Hey y'all, the biggest problem I see and deal with on a daily basis is lack of education in the VA ratings process. If this is you, or if you feel like you could do better, click the first link in the description below to get a preview of the best VA education in the industry. I'll see you there. Now, I said that we busted up our meniscus. Hey, we got that meniscus cleaned up, they shaved it down a little bit. That's 5259, a separate diagnostic code, added on 10%. Now, limitation of extension. Again, during the CMP exam, you're not being a hero. You can hardly straighten that knee. That is going to be an additional 10%. All of these mean that your current maybe 10% rating is now multiplied. So if this sounds like you need to proactively present this information to the CNP examiner during your CNP exam. You're not being a hero. You need to present this to the VA rater through the form of ironclad personal statements, right? What we teach our clients. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone you care about. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.